Hi Adorners, welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Today we continue our Princess Party Bash series and we are going to be, this is episode number 3, and we are going to be making some princess slime. If you're interested, please keep watching and welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. So welcome back. We're going to go ahead and get started. I have a container that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. It has a nice iridescent pink, you can see kind of rainbowish glow with a nice pink lid to go with our party princess party decor. And so we have our glue items we need, baking soda, contact solution, and water. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I will be adding our glitter at the end. All right, but this could be a favor for your guests for your party. All right, so let's get started. Okay, Adorners, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on our slime. These are all items that I picked up over at the Dollar Tree. All right, so we have our Elmer's school glue. They did have another brand, all right, as well. I think it's just a store brand that you could use. Okay, Adorners, I'm going to go ahead and add in a second Elmer's glue. These were the smaller bottles. Okay, Adorners, so I'm going to go ahead and add in a half a tablespoon of baking soda. All right, and the thing is, you want to make sure with our baking soda that you check the expiration date. A lot of times people have it and they never check the date. So when you're making this, you want to make sure you have a fresh box of baking soda. All right, we need a tablespoon of contact solution. All right, let's put that in. All right, and we need a glass full of water. All right, I'm going to go ahead and mix that together and I'll be back. Okay, Adorners, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some iridescent glitter. Just eyeball it here. All right, for our slime. Make it nice and sparkly for our guests. So beautiful and fun. All right, and I may add in a little gold since we have gold too. All right. All right, you can see our finished product coming together. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my jar. Slime, who would know? All right, Adorners, so I'm going ahead and adding our slime to our beautiful jar. You can see it's actually not really sticking to the bowl, which is interesting. So, all right. All right, so this is just a recipe that I got off Pinterest. You can find there's so many to look for. All right, we want to make sure that we don't have any of this on our lid, just in case. And I'll be right back. Okay, Adorners, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off my jar of princess slime with a nice lavender, purple, pink-ish ribbon. All right, and if you have guests, you could put tags on these. If you have, your invite list, you can go ahead and make these ahead of time. Add a nice bow. Add a thank you for coming to my party. Okay, Adorners, so I've gone ahead and added a nice bow to our slime. All right, and this will be a beautiful favor for your guests. It's very reasonable to make, and really just check Pinterest for your best recipe. Okay, anyway, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I'm your girlfriend, your auntie of lifestyle and decor. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Saving hello for another time.